Okay, guys, I don't know where to start. This happened today. So this is probably most of you know that I've changed the headlights, which are freaking amazing design-wise. Side marker. Then I have the Diodedynamics fog lights, the Pros. This LED light, SS5 Pros, and of course the rear Diodedynamics. So, ladies and gents, I have a whip light. Changes color. Needs programming. If you press it within, I think, 3 seconds, on and off, changes color. I want to get used to it. So it's still new. I just finished the installation. I'm going to be doing a video on this, on how to control the lights. So basically, I think it's 3 seconds. It's in the catalog, but I'm too excited to read it, so I just figured it out. Okay, so let's do this. I have front bumper. I put it on not toggle, but guys, this is like, wow. So I can press it, or change the setting, press it once and then turns on. Then I have this light bar, and then I have spotlights. So if I want to turn on everything, let's do the bumper. Let me change the setting for the bumper. So if I go to mode and then put it on momentarily, and then go back to turn it on. Let's do this again. Mode. Oh. So then toggle. I'm sorry, momentarily. The bumper. Toggle. So then we go back to it. Just turns on, keeps on. Then the light bar. Wow. Then the spotlight. Wow. John, buddy, you are a beast. This thing is awesome. Diodedynamics, guys. Probably you know this is the Auxbeam AR800, guys. So if I turn it off now, one by one, I can group it for sure. I'm gonna whip. So you see now it's toggle. So I have to go back to mode, choose the whip, put it on toggle, on and off, go back to it. I called it whip just because I can. So now I can drive like this, change the colors. I think it's 3 seconds if I'm not mistaken. Turn it off or on. I'm gonna read it on both cases. You get the idea. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 3 seconds. So there you go, guys. This is a short video of the dynamic lights, what it does. Auxbeam switch coming. This is a must to have if you're off-roading, and it's via Bluetooth. By the way, Diodedynamics are the best. John, thank you, my friend. You're amazing. Enjoy this short video, guys. The full install video coming of the winch and everything else I did. That's let there be light, they said. Love you guys. Take care.